A lot can happen in just 1 year. And in Denver Public Schools, a lot has happened and is happening behind the scenes.
We do a lot of the hidden stuff that you don't necessarily think about.
We're calling it an education renovation, thanks to the voter-approved 2016 DPS bond and mill levy.
I'm proud of everybody at DPS. Everybody works together and we pull it off.
Of the promised $572 million investment, DPS has already made significant progress toward providing critical maintenance updates to our schools and classrooms. The bond also expands technology while improving safety and comfort for our students and teachers.
A lot of people, a lot of effort goes into putting one of these projects together.
Tim Coy manages quality assurance and warranty in DPS's Construction Services Department.
It is our responsibility to make sure that Denver Public Schools and Denver taxpayers get what they paid for.
With so many projects happening so quickly,
A lot of times we call them 60-day wonders.
there's a huge responsibility on project managers to make sure we get it right.
That's what I take pride in, that I represent DPS and the school. And the kids, yeah, students first.
I think what a lot of our team does is provides the tools that the students don't necessarily see.
So here's a quick snapshot. Bond projects you may not have seen happening that are already supporting our students. The MyTech program, distributing more than 8,000 laptops to students at 14 schools.
If I don't understand something, I can just use my Chromebook to research it up and to help me with my homework.
2 new turf fields at Abraham Lincoln and Montbello High Schools.
Turf is nice compared to what it was like last year.
More of a safety element for the student athletes with given all the CTE and concussions going on in high school sports.
It was like the track. You couldn't even see the hashes. It was hard.
We've increased the student athlete safety factor by a significant amount.
Additional instructional space and innovative classrooms at Asbury Elementary School.
Well, the biggest reward for me is when we first open the doors for that first day of school and the look on those kids' faces when they see their new school or what we added to their school.
A new boiler at Sabin Elementary, keeping temperatures steady and students comfortable.
Well, keeping the kids on an even comfort level and temperature-wise helps them with their learning so that they're not getting too hot or too cold throughout their day as they're going from classroom to classroom.
A new roof for the auxiliary classrooms at Eagleton Elementary. Swansea Elementary saw major updates with an open classroom redesign, as well as new lighting and furniture, funded by CDOT, the 2016 and 2012 bonds.
The community is happy, and that's why we're here.
And another project from the 2012 bond as we wrapped up work on the Early Learning Center at McGlone Academy.
That's what's fulfilling for me is to see them actually learning and getting a lot out of what we kind of do behind the scenes.
These are just the beginning.
We're not done here yet. We have a long ways to go.
But each completed project is about one core thing.
You know, one of our core values is students first.
Putting students first.
That's why we're here. As I said, these are our future lawyers, presidents, et cetera, et cetera.
Giving our teachers and students the learning environments they deserve.
We need to make sure that they get the best start that they can get.
For DPS Features, I'm Ben McKee.